Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. KCN is an ambident nucleophile, meaning it can attack through either carbon, giving cyanide, CN, or nitrogen, giving isocyanide, NC. The major product depends on which end preferentially attacks the substrate. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate and reagent. Benzyl chloride, C6H5CH2Cl, is a primary alkyl halide. KCN in ethanol provides the cyanide ion, CN- as the nucleophile. Moving on to the next and for the final step. Product formed. Attack of carbon of CN on the CH2 of benzyl chloride displaces Cl and gives C6H5CH2Cn, which is benzyl cyanide, also known as phenylacetonethyl. Why not isocyanide? Isocyanide, C6H5CH2NC, would form if nitrogen attacked. Nitrogen attack is favored in polar aprotic solvents and with harder electrophiles. With primary alkyl halides under normal conditions, ethanolic KCN, carbon attack predominates, giving the thermodynamically and kinetically preferred cyanide product. Why not other options? A. Benzyl ethyl ether would require reaction with ethoxide, not cyanide. B. Benzyl alcohol would require hydrolysis conditions. These reagents are not relevant here. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.